I'm going to show you how to customize and trim your Volumizer One Piece so that it blends perfectly with your hair. As you can see, there's a visible difference between where the wearer's hair ends and where the hair extensions are. So what you want to do is you want to customize this, and it's really easy to customize on your own. All you're going to need is a pair of hair cutting shears. It's better to use really sharp ones, that way you're not going to damage the hair at all. Because our wearer's hair is so much shorter than the Volumizer One Piece, to really get a blended effect, I'm going to take off a few inches so that it blends better and looks a lot more natural with her hair. Now, when you're adding layers to the Volumizer One Piece, it's great to start off by creating a U shape. So I'm going to start by adding layers into the hair at a downward angle as I move across the hair, kind of opening the scissors and closing them as I cut and I go down. You want to start the layers off on this side, pretty close to where the natural hair ends, so that way you get more seamless blend. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. You can totally stop there if you find that the layers are working good and looks like it's going to blend really well with your hair. But if you want to customize it a little bit further, you can get some shears like this to help add additional layers. I'm going to cut off a little bit of length on this layer of hair, pull out the pieces that get cut, and this adds an extra layer of dimension. So once you curl this, it's going to blend even better with your natural hair. Don't forget to finish with our Cashmere Hair Extension Shine Spray. As you can see, cutting layers into the Volumizer One Piece really helped to blend the hair extensions in with the natural hair. It's really hard to tell the difference where one starts and the other ends. And this is a really great trick if you also want to cut a little bit of length off of them as well.